Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to mute your camera sound on your iPhone. Whether you want to take a photo discreetly or you are in an environment where full silence is required, you can now mute the iPhone camera sound. To completely mute the sound, toggle the mute switch on the top left of the iPhone to the mute position. As you can see, there's a switch on the top left of the iPhone. Switch it to the down position to mute your camera sound. Now, when you take a photo, you won't hear the camera sound. And that is how to mute the camera sound on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.